Hi guys, we're here to do some sound practice today. Our first word is moon. Moon. What makes the sound? What letter? Tell somebody. That's right, it's an M. M says M says moon. Say it with me. M says Good job. All right, my next one is something I like to eat. What is it? Pizza. That's right. Pizza. 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 What is that first sound that you hear? Pizza. What makes the P sound? What is it? What letter? Tell someone. It's a P. P says P. P says P. That's right. Say it with me. P says P. Good job. Okay. Now we have this one. What is this one? It's a duck. That's right. Duck. What makes the D sound? What makes the D sound? What letter? Write it down or tell someone. D says D. D is for duck. D is the first sound you hear in the word duck. D says D. D says D. Can you say it with me? D says D. Good job. Okay, what is this one? It's an elephant. That's right. Elephant. Elephant. What's that first sound? Elephant. That first sound is What letter says An E. E says E says Can you say it with me? E says Great job. Okay. Our last one for today, and this one is kind of tricky. This is a xylophone. Z. That sounds like a Z, but a xylophone is spelled with an X. X. And the X makes the X sound. X. So this is the X. And X says X. X says X. Can you say that with me? X says X. Great. Good job, guys. See you later.